Can you change this sentence to show that action is being done currently? Keep watching till the end to know the answer. Hi, you're watching SavvyShweta, and in today's video you will learn how to form simple sentences using present continuous tense. Let's do a quick recap of what we did in the last video. These are the sentences that we will learn today. Before we move ahead, let us understand tenses. Tenses can be broadly divided into three main categories: past, present, and future.
When the action or event that we're talking about has happened sometime in the past, we use past tense. When the action or event is currently happening, that is happening right now, we use present tense. And when the action is to happen sometime later in the future, we use future tense. Present tense is further divided into four categories: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. You can also have a look at the sentences in all these cases. In simple present tense, it is I work, and it changes to I am working in present continuous tense. In present perfect tense, it will be I have worked. In present perfect continuous tense, I have been working. Today we are going to focus on present continuous tense.
What do we understand from present continuous tense? When we are talking about things or actions that are happening currently, we use present continuous tense.
All these sentences are in present continuous tense. I am working. You are eating. He is talking. She is smiling. It is playing. We are shopping. All these sentences clear that the action is being done right now.
Let's look at the base form of verb and how it changes in the present continuous tense.
This general structure will help us construct a sentence in present continuous tense. Like we'll have a subject or a noun, and then am, is, or are, whichever is suitable for the subject or noun. Then we'll have the present participle or the ing form of the main verb. Here is a list of how the verbs change from its base form to the ing form, that is the present participle. For example, work will become working, eat will become eating, talk will become talking, and smile will become smiling, play will become playing, and shop will become shopping.
Now let us use pronoun, linking verb, and verb in present continuous tense.
Here are sentences which are formed with the help of pronoun, linking verb, and verb. He is cooking, she is reading, they are playing, we are watching. All these sentences show that the action is being done right now. Turn these sentences into questions just like this.
Now let us use article, noun, linking verb, and verb in present continuous tense.
We have these sentences formed with the help of article, noun, linking verb, and verb. The cat is sleeping. A boy is reading. The teacher is teaching. The chef is cooking. All these sentences show that the action is being done currently. Now they have changed into questions.
I'm sure you're feeling confident now. So it's time for us to practice what we have learned.
If your answers are any different from these sentences, then please write in the comment section.
Coming back to the question I asked you in the beginning. And the answer is
He is playing cricket.
Focused hard work is the real key to success. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you like my video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Till then, keep smiling and keep learning. Have a great day and see ya.